Today's sourdough Sunday. Today I'm making sourdough discard brown sugar cinnamon granola. First, in a large bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of sourdough discard. Next, add a half a cup of olive oil, then 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Then mix that up until it's combined. Then add a half a cup of chopped pecans. Then add 3/4 of a cup of slivered almonds. Next, add 1 cup of chopped walnuts. Then add 3 cups of old-fashioned oats. Next, mix that up until everything is combined. Then I have a large lined cookie sheet. I'm going to add the granola and spread it out and then bake this at 350 for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I'm going to flip over and mix up the granola, and then I'm going to put this back in the oven at 350 for another 20 minutes. Once the granola was done, I added it to a bowl, and here's an up-close look.